Do you wonder what is living in your kitchen sponge? You probably don't want to know, but we're going to fix it today. Sponges are notorious for harboring bacteria and germs, and you know, it's not a good thing to have a dirty sponge in your kitchen. So with this technique, you're going to find your sponge feeling and looking and smelling cleaner, and it's going to be rid of all that stuff that's living in it. I do this technique every day, and I start out, you need to start out with a sponge that's not past its prime. So start out with a new sponge, and I clean it every day, so I put it in this container. I use white vinegar, and I purchase it by the gallon. And I just pour, well, it's about a half a cup in this container. Now, if you have a larger container, you might obviously need to use more vinegar. And I just put it in there, and I let it sit for, well, as long as you can let it sit, but I wouldn't let it sit for less than 45 minutes. And then see how nice and smushy it is? There's lots of water and lots of vinegar in there. And I'll turn it over if I think about it, let it sit there for a while longer. And actually, if you could let this go overnight, that's even better. So once you've had it soaking in the vinegar really well, what I do is I wring out that vinegar, and then I take it to my kitchen sink and I give it a good rinse. And really, you'll notice this looks cleaner, it will smell cleaner, and of course you will have gotten rid of, all that stuff that's been living in your sponge. So if you'd like some more tips and tricks, check out my playlist and you'll find more. Thanks a lot for watching.